I'm not sure how well this will come out. Oh wow, yeah, you could really see it here. I don't know about you guys, but that's just beautiful. I wish I could stay right here and watch the sun come up. Let's get more of that skyline. Yeah, just like that. That's what she said. Alright, can't laugh or I'll screw this up. I turned off my truck. You can just hear how peaceful it is out here. Alright, I'm gonna get going again. Oh, if you don't have my Instagram, you might want to follow it. I post photos like this a lot on my Instagram. You can find the info in the description. Later.